Hi, today I'm going to give you a short 4-minute demonstration of ImageViewer curves featuring CMYK Plus and the 5th color on the Xerox iGen 5 presses driven by the EXP5 print server powered by Fiery. Then I'm going to show you how to apply the curves in Fiery workflows. For more information on EFI and Fiery products, please visit the URL on the bottom of your screen. First, we need to process our job, so we'll double-click on the job in the Command Workstation, open the job properties. I'm on the Media tab. Notice I do have a media selected. It's very important that you have a media selected using the paper catalog because that is where the profiles are going to come for the 5th color. Then we move over to the Color tab. We just need to make sure that CMYK Plus is selected, and of course the 5th color that we want to use is selected. Now I'm going to process and hold this job. Once the job is processed and held, then I'm going to select it. Now it has a ripped icon indicated here, selecting it, and I'm going to go into ImageViewer. So ImageViewer now is going to display the raster of the job, and as you can see here, we have a single page of orange. I'm just going to do some zooming in here. On the right hand side, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. You have some curve adjustments and separations. So first I just want to show you the separations. We have orange, of course, and CMYK. I'm going to remove the separations for all the other colors, and I'm going to zoom out. Just so you notice here, that is an area in this particular orange juice label here, and there's some image data here. So we are only adding orange to the spot colors. So in this particular case, these spot colors are all targeted to have orange to enhance them, but just notice that. Now, when I turn on the other channels, you can see them fill in. So looking at other things you can do in here, you can actually see the value of each individual color. So you can see here the orange is set at 95% here. If I move the cursor up to the top here, there is no orange in that particular color, and it's only using CMYK, and I move the cursor over here, and you can see it's just 10% black. Now we can do some color adjustments. First, I will just deselect all my curves, and now what I'm going to do is just create a little curve that will boost the orange, and zoom out a little bit here. Let me just zoom out, and what I'm going to do is boost the orange curve. You can see that. Now what I want to do is to be able to apply that curve in all my workflow capabilities of the Fiery. So in the presets here, I'm selecting Save As. So I'm going to save a curve. I'm going to call it Orange Boost. Okay, save that as a curve. Now I'm going to close out of here. I'm not going to save those changes. But what I'm going to do now is show you how you can apply those in the various workflows on the Fiery. So let's double click on that job properties again. Notice in color we have the ImageViewer curves down here. If I select that, take a look, we have some predefined curves that are in here to do some standard things such as reducing magenta and shadow detail and midtone boost, etc. Notice now there's a new one down here called Orange Boost. So that now I can select that, and now I can process or reprocess that job with the additional curve, which is boosting my orange. This same curve, of course, is available with hot folders, is also available with virtual printers, and can be set up in any workflow. If I was, for instance, to use this preset here, save a preset, I would save it with that curve boost.